Welcome to my channel. This is Trade by Speed, where we trade the market and give us our analysis. Now, this week we're going to talk about earning weeks. What is earnings week? Earnings week is a period where publicly traded companies report the quarterly financial earning, giving investors the opportunity to trade the market. Now, based on earning, it usually brings high volatility into the market. Earning as the earning either beat or miss. Now, what does that mean by beat and miss? Meaning that if we have an earning of a company probably on an average or above what was expecting, then this is an earning beat. But if the earning is actually lower than the expected, this is an earning miss. Now, earning beat or miss give opportunity to investor as they actually give them time into the market to trade or time into the market to invest. Now, this week we're going to go ahead and talk about which company are trading this week. Now, before I continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Now, next company is APLD. Now, I know that the company did report a week before is January 7, 2006, but this is actually a really good company that I would like us to pay attention to. Applied Digital Corporation is a US designer, developer, and an operator of high performance data. So it's highly invested into data and blockchain. So it does have artificial intelligence and blockchain workload, and it also creates two reportable segments of data center hosting business which provide energized colocation for crypto mining customer. So highly invested in crypto, highly invested in artificial intelligence and blockchain. Also, it design and build and operate AI facility, um, focus facility. Now that's why I actually think we should pay attention to this stock, APLD. Next, now let's go ahead and talk about Delta. Delta company will report earning on January 13, 2026. Now we do know that this company is an airline company and we all been traveling in it, but let's talk about this company. It is rated as a continue buy. So this means that analysts actually saying that this will actually be a cool stock or maybe a stock that we can actually trade on the upside this week. Now let's talk about it. With industry trend and company strategy driven strong revenue and margin expectation into 2026. So there's actually some good in this company, financial result in this company. In the last earning call released in 2025, Delta Airline beat analyst expectation with 15.2 million in revenue and 1.71 in adjusted earning per share. Now I'm going to talk about this in another video where we'll actually be able to analyze all these fundamental data. Now, this beat mean that this is actually a good sign for Delta as a company, but as I always say, the market does whatever you want. Good earning, beat earning, this is actually a prediction of maybe we're actually going to a bullish market trend, or actually the company, the stock, not the company, but the stock may actually be trading on the upside. Now, when we do have things like earning per share, quarter earning, and when we have what they call a beat or positivity or maybe beating expectation, yes, we could actually predict that the company will actually do well either in a certain period of time. So that's what I say. All those analyses are actually great for trader and investor. Over the next year, analyst consensus estimates show that they expected delta free cash flow margin of 4.9% for the last 12 months to remain the same. Now, to remain the same in cash flow, a company that has good cash flow is actually a good sign. So for those who are trading Delta this week, I do believe that this is actually a really good company to look for. All right, next will be trend and price target. This is when I'm going to talk about some price analysis of some of the company that I will be looking at this week. All right, next will be trend and price target. All right, this is Dow. Dow is currently trading at 65,670. The stock has traded up to 73 in the January month. As we enter in February, I see this trend is just a little downtrend right here. But let's talk about the stock continuing. This trend can continue. I have this target level all this point right here on here, and meaning I have a target level to the 60 level, so 60, 150. Now there's a lot of conversion noise here, you know, and if we could pass this level here, I'll have my next target pass to the 55 level. Okay, now anything lower than that, I have a target level up to the 50. Now those level here that I'm talking about will happen in the next 2 weeks, probably 3 weeks at time. Okay, so as we continue, my target first is this line 61, and can we pass all this noise here and reach the 55 level and then push to the 50. Okay, so this is the level that I have now. This level could be adjusted as we move down, and we could see a little bit of decline up to 2 to 3 weeks as we follow this level. But if any we don't see any decline, or we do not push up to those level, or let's say we just push to 60, or probably we see anything probably around the 57 level or 55 level, and then we push back, I will have a level back to the 60 level, so the 55 or probably back to the 60, and probably see if you actually target the 70 level here. And that's for now. Okay guys, so if you have any level, you can actually comment what are your level on that, or what do you actually think about those levels. Okay, all right, the next stock here is APLD. We can see here that the stock has traded all the way to the 3042 level right on here, and then we have a little of this downtrend right down here on the 33 level. Now if we continue here, I have a target to go all the way to the 30 level, and then probably a little lower up to the 20, 28, 25 level, and this is where I am targeting, where I would say anything further, my next target would be 20. Okay, so we could actually see this 30 level and then bounce to the 28 level. Okay, so these are the level that I have for APLD, and this is because of the trend that I see at this present moment. Anything, let's say reach up to the 20 level, and then we could probably see this stock probably can push back and test the 30 level. So my target level on this stock will be to push all the way to this 25 level, probably 20, and this could happen in the next week or two, couple of weeks, probably as we go into February, and then let to check and see the level to hold around the 2025 level and see if we're going back up. But I have a targeted level to 2025 and then back up. Now I want to say that anything that could go lower than this 20 level we could see exactly. So but actually targeting it to 25 to 20 is kind of a good target for APLD. If you have any other target, you can do your own research and be able to adjust it based on what I showed. And then let's say the stock does go 2025 25 20 in the next couple of weeks, if you or probably a month, if you're adjusting back to this level, we could see the stock back to this 30 level. Okay, all right, that's all I have for APLD. Thank you for watching. This is all for today. I hope you find value in this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial content. This is Thread Based Speed. Until next time.